Today on William's Adventures, I am actually doing the delivery for the Dragonbone Greatsword. So I am quite literally just pulled in to my buddy's house who ordered it, and so I'm going to take it inside and present it to his girlfriend because he ordered it for his girlfriend for her birthday, which I think was yesterday, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to take and try to record her reaction and his reaction and everything like that. So I'll let you know what happens as it happens.
So you come here.
All right, so I'm here at my buddy David's house. David, this is the guy who bought it, and this is his absolutely adorable girlfriend, fiance, I don't know, and of course their puppy dog. Hi, Ziggy. Yeah, absolute puppy. Yeah, she's a nervous Peter, isn't she?
Come on.
Okay, anyway. So I brought this in. When was your birthday, Chevy?
Tomorrow.
Your birthday's tomorrow. Okay. There should be a little timer going off.
Yeah.
Alright. Now, we didn't want to damage it, that's why I packaged it in this cheap-ass foam. Now, for those of you who've been here, you can actually find the entire build-up video or series of this on my YouTube channel, which David's been watching. She has no idea about.
Yeah, I didn't.
Or at least supposedly. I don't.
No, I
So if you
didn't
want to
tell.
watch the entire build series, it is on my YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
As well as he's been getting updates.
It's as big as you are.
Hmm?
It's as big as you are.
It is.
Now, he told me you are a huge Skyrim fan.
Yes. First game
And-
I ever played on Xbox.
This is his idea. Okay? Come on. Lift the lid on it.
Oh my god.
So, what this is,
Pick it up.
is a wall hanger of the Skyrim logo and a 2-scale Dragonbone
I
Greatsword.
told you it's almost as big as you are.
And there is a wall hanger back here so you can just attach it to the wall.
Awesome.
Sweet.
It is amazing. Oh my god.
There you go, baby. Now you're a Dragonborn.
Oh shit.
It's just barely shorter than you are.
This is amazing. Thank you.
Man, that thing's awesome.
Now this is an actual leather wrapped handle, hand stitched.
That is so awesome. I love it so much. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yes, happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I like the detail. It's awesome.
Now, I know he said you do have some artistic ability if you want to clear coat this, because I didn't know what you wanted to do with it. So I left the actual clear coat up to you, so it is raw paint on here.
Okay.
But yes. And this is based off of an actual greatsword historical height.
Mm-hmm. Imagine my short ass wielding a great sword. I gotta find somewhere to put this.
Oh yeah,
The
because you're gonna have
walls
to hang
aren't
it.
finished.
You're gonna have to hang it like up high enough,
Yeah.
turn it, put it in, and then turn it back down.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's gonna end up out in the front room once we have it done.
Yes. Once we
No.
have the gaming room done.
That's cool. That is pretty damn awesome.
So cool.
Yeah.
Are you happy with your purchase and order, sir?
Oh yes.
He's like, I want to fucking handle this shit. Do it here.
Oh,
Take
I
the
will.
camera. I want it.
We'll have to hang the light by it too.
But there you go. I will take the packaging out of the way so you don't have to deal with it. Opinion?
Thank you. I
Aw.
love it. I love it so much.
That is
The detail on it is awesome. Yeah.
All right, Chevy, David. Of a score of 10, what would you give it?
10. Oh my god, 10, yes.
Could you imagine taking this to Renfest?
All right, well, thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures, and let's go on an adventure and create something new.